children, yesterday we have completed exercise till question number 5. So today we will start from question number 6. So let's do it. Represent 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3 on the number line. Means in this question you have to draw the number line and you have to point out where 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3 is there. So let's do it. See. Children, here you can see I have drawn here the number line. This is 0. Right hand side of the number line is 1 by 3, 2 by 3 means all positive integer as the denominator is 3. Okay, so you have to write here 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3, and left side of the 0 should be negative numbers. Minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 1. So children, here minus 1 is there. Yes, see here also minus, here 1 is there because 3 by 3 is 1. Okay, and here minus 3 by 3 is minus 1. So that is why here I have wrote minus 1, minus 4 by 3 and minus 5 by 3. So children, here you can see here is 5 by 3 and here minus 5 by 3. So you have to do arrow, do like this, and you have to label it where it is given. Now let's do question number 7. By what number should be multiplied minus 8 by 13 to get the product 32? The question tells us that what we should multiply by minus 8 by 13 to get product. Product means equal to 32. So suppose x should be multiplied. Suppose x should be multiplied. Minus 8 by 3 into x is equal to 32. If this minus 8 by 3 is in multiplication with x, if it will go that way, it will be divided. So 32 divided by 8 minus 8 by 13. Minus 8 by 13. So this, as you have done in reciprocal, you have done inverse, here also you have to do like that. This division will convert into multiplication and this minus 8 by 13 will convert into 13 by minus 8. So 32 into 13 upon minus 8. 8 for the 32. So children, here answer is 52. 13 for the 52. Denominator is 1. So you no need to write it and sign is minus. So your answer is, so your x is minus 52. So let's do now question number 8. Simplify using suitable property. Means here you have to do simplification, but you have to use the different property. So let's do it. See, 91 by 14 into minus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus in the bracket minus 2 by 3 and 91 by 14. So children, here you can see denominator 14 and this all are 3 which are in addition and this both are in multiplication. So you have to take 91 by 14 as common and this all 3 in bracket as addition or minus, whatever sign according to sign you have to do. 91 by 14 in the bracket minus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. It is in multiplication, that is why like this you have to write it. Here sign is plus and here minus into plus is minus, so here minus will come. Here you can see the denominator is same, so you have to take all 3 as common and solve the numerator. Minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus into minus is plus, so minus 2 plus minus 2 you will get minus 4 plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So you will get 91 by 14 into 0. 91 by 14 into 0 is 0. So your answer is 0. Now let's do question number 9. If x is equal to 1 by 7, y is equal to 2 by 3 and z is equal to minus 1 by 3, verify that x into in the bracket y plus z is equal to x into y plus x into z. Means whatever the values are given here in your question, you have to verify, you have to put in place of that. This value of x you have to put here. Means like that you have to do in this whole question and you have to see whether this LHS is equal to RHS. So let's do it. LHS is x into y plus z. X is 1 by 7, y is 2 by 3 and z is minus 1 by 3. Here plus into minus is minus, so here minus will come. Here you can see denominator is same. You have to just solve the numerator. So let's do it. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 by 7 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 21. So RHS is 1 by 21. Now let's check for the RHS. X into y plus x into z. X is 1 by 7, y is 2 by 3, x is 1 by 7 and z is minus 1 by 3. See children, here you can see 2 cannot cut with this, cannot be simplified. 1 cannot be simplified with this 3. This 3 cannot be simplified with 2, 1, 7. 7 cannot be simplified with this. So with implies that you have to just solve numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So let's do it. 2 1s are 2, 7 3s are 21. So you got 2 by 21 minus. Here also you can see you cannot simplify. So let's do solving. 1 into 1 is 1, 7 3s are 21. Here sign is minus. Here sign is minus. So your answer will also come in minus. So 2 by 21 minus 1 by 21. So children, here you can see denominator is same. So I have to solve the numerator. 2 minus 1 is 1. Denominator is 21. So our RHS is 1 by 21. So which implies that LHS is equal to RHS. Let's start with question number 10. From a chord of 16 meter length, two pieces of lengths 3 1 by 3 meter and 2 2 by 5 meter are cut off. Find the length of the remaining chord. So children, here you can see this is the total length of the chord, which is 16 meter. From there, this one piece which is of 3 1 by 3 meter and this second piece which is of 2 2 by 5 meter are the cut off. We have to find what is the length of this much piece. What is the length of the remaining chord means this much part. So how you will find it? If you add these both pieces means 3 1 by 3 plus 2 2 by 5 and then subtract this from the total means 16, then you can get the remaining part. So let's do it. The children again explain you. If you add these both part and then subtract this from the total, you will get the what is the total meter of the remaining part. So let's do it. Total means 16 minus two pieces that were which were of 3 1 by 3 and 2 2 by 5. You have to just add it. So 3 1 by 3 plus 2 2 by 5. 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 10. So 10 by 3 plus 2 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 by 5. So LCM, as you can see here, plus sign is there. So you have to take the LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So 5 you have to multiply with 10 and 3 you have to multiply with 12. Here you can see 3 and 5. So you have to multiply 3 with 5 and 5 by 3. So 50 plus 36 upon 15. 50 plus 36 upon 15 is 86 by 15. So 16 minus 36 by 15. Here this is 1, this is 15. You have to take the LCM of this both. LCM of this both is 15. So with 1 you have to multiply with 15 and this 15 you have to multiply with 1. So this 15 multiply with 16, 1 multiply with 86. So 16 into 15 is 240 minus 1 into 86 is 86. 214 minus 86 is 144. 144 by 15. You can convert it into mixed fraction, which is 10 4 by 15 meter. So the remaining length of the chord is 10 4 by 15 meter. You have to write the statement at last. Let's start with question number 11. Evaluate. You have to evaluate this whole fraction. So let's do it. Mod 9 by 7 minus mod minus 2 by 7 mod plus 3 by 7 minus mod 4 by 7. This both This you can see these are the lines. It is called mod. And what is the meaning of mod? Mod means whatever you will keep plus or minus, but if you will remove the mod, the answer will come in minus. See here 9 by 7, here plus only there, so here okay plus will only come, but here it is minus. Mod means it should be plus. If you remove, it should be plus. So let's, here minus is there, so if you remove the mod, it will become 2 by 7. Here also minus 4 by 7 is there. If you remove the mod, answer will be 4 by 7. So 9 by 7, here it will become minus, but here sign is minus. It will become plus, but here sign is minus. So here minus 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7. Here sign is minus. So here minus 4 by 7. Here you can see all denominator are same. So you have to solve only numerator. So let's do it. 9 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4. 9, we have to solve first the positive integers. 9 plus 3 is 12. Then solve the negative integers. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. So 12 minus 6 is 7. So 12 minus 6 is 6. So you got 6 by 7. Let's start with question number 12. If A is equal to minus 3 by 2 and B is equal to 4 by 5, verify this. This questions you have to verify. You have to put the value of A here, B here, and you have to verify whether LHS is equal to RHS. So let's solve first LHS. LHS is A into B. A is what? Minus 3 by 2 and B is what? 4 by 5. Here mod is not there. Here mod, this is mod. Minus 3 by 2 into 4 by 5. 2 2s is 4. So here 2 will come. Here LHS. LHS is equal to this. Then 3 into 2 is 6. Minus the denominator is 5. If you remove the mod, you will get 6 by 5. RHS mod A into mod B. A is what? Minus 3 by 2 into B is what? 4 by 5. If you remove the mod, it will become 3 by 2 into 4 by 5. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, denominator is 5. So, which implies that LHS is equal to RHS. Now let's do second question. Mod A minus B greater equal to mod A minus mod B. So you have to check whether LHS is greater or equal to RHS. So let's do it. LHS is mod A minus B. A is minus 3 by 2 and B is 4 by 5. But sign here is minus, here minus sign will come. Here you can see denominator is not same. So you have to take the LCM of 2 and 5. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. Here by what number we will multiply to get 10? 5. And here 2. So 5 into minus 3 is minus 15 and 4 into minus 4 is minus 8. Minus 15 minus 8 is minus 23 by 10. Here sign is minus, minus into minus is plus. So I have to do addition of 15 and 8. So you got minus 23 by 10. If you remove the mod, you will get 23 by 10. Now let's do RHS. Mod A minus mod B. A is minus 3 by 2 minus B is 4 by 5. So if you remove the mod, it will become 3 by 2. Your sign is minus, so minus sign will come 4 by 5. So here also you have to take the LCM. By what number we multiply to get 10. Here 5, here 2. 5 into 3 is 15, 4 into 2 is 8. 15 minus 8 upon 10. 15 minus 8 upon 10 is 7 by 10. So which implies is that LHS is greater than RHS. So now let's do the last question of this chapter. Question number 13. If 4 by 9 divided by x is equal to minus 10 by 3, then find the value of x. Let's do it. 4 by 9 this multiplication will change division will change into multiplication, and x will inverse into 1 by x is equal to minus 10 by 3. So this x will go here, minus 10 will come here, and 3 will go in numerator. So 4 by 9 into 3 by minus 10. 3 3s are 4 2s are 2 2s are and 2 5s are. Numerator is 2 minus denominator is 3 into 5 15. So x is equal to minus 2 by 15.